Now, still shape, it still support, all these things are just kind of layering. Feel a little jiggle. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. This is the other thing. My dog wakes up and does that luxuriating, and then she flaps her ears. Little jiggle. Kind of like you're a duck taking off the water. People talk about this is kind of a good thing if you fell suddenly or the car suddenly jerked, like kind of shake off that little bit of shock or surprise. Or you can do it just for the pleasure of all the joints being a little loosey-goosey, all your organs being almost shaky and free. And then switch that to almost like you're following the track of a butterfly around you. Smooth, sustained movement, wrapping right around you. You can make a sound of that too with ears like. So, and that kind of sustained movement can be really calming. If you can notice that. Movement qualities can change our felt sense, our mood, our sort of emotional activation. Going to a jiggle, different mood than the sustained. And how about like you're got a sword? So taking yourself in your classroom through different qualities of movement also begins to ignite a whole language inside ourselves that we can utilize for expression as a foundation for our expressive self. And this same area, let's play with another way of sort of playing with dynamic quality and shape, is let's say play around with like I've got a ball and I'm bouncing it and I'm going to throw it. Oh, give it a moment. Like I can pause and feel the shape of this to have the power. My torso, all those diaphragms are kind of parallel. I've got full volume and it's my torso is super free to be able to breathe and do all that exchange with the ocean and air that's around me, to give my musculature power to be able to be energized and move, to nourish me. So anytime you'll notice this, play around with any kind of task, throwing a ball, if you do a sport, skiing, tennis. Our system naturally organizes in that kind of full volume, free availability, because we can adjust them. The power, if I want a light ball, I don't want to send it very far, or I really want to nail it. It's the exact same capacity of organization that we need on a violin, with a cello, at a piano, and to sing. We're designed when we have a function, and music is a function, it's an activity, a task. The system has a way of being organized to have availability for dynamic range. And then we have this other capacity when it comes to that shape changing, is I might want to I could be like cleaning myself, preening the way animals would. I want to see if there's a scratch on my back. I want to curl in because I'm cold. I want to hug someone. We have this important capacity to curl, which I need if I want to get down to the ground and up again. I have to be able to curl in. I want to be able to spiral around myself. So being able to sort of sense the shape changing when we've got all this beautiful curling, and when we need to recruit our full power, the full volume stuff, those differences are also food for being able to make choices for playing the instrument or singing or telling the story the most effective way. So it's a wholeness it's kind of a wholeness look at our whole stature, that there isn't a body that I can position to be right and still be a living, breathing, responsive, caring, expressive person. But I want all my availability. I just want to understand my sensory information so I can make choices.